And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
Well, it's another clear to mostly clear day. We've got the very warm to hot weather and no rainfall to speak of. That's kind of tied up to our south and southeast. This is actually the remnant circulation from Francine still sitting here southwest of Memphis, Tennessee. But this, it's pretty much a tropical depression. It's not classified as that. It doesn't have enough of a warm core, but we've had a wind gust to 48 at Fayetteville, North Carolina, a gust to 51 at Lumberton, gust to 44 here on the coast, and max sustained winds from this after being analyzed by hurricane hunters at 40 miles an hour. It just lacks the warm core that you technically need to have for a tropical depression or tropical storm. Nonetheless, it's coming inland. It's got the wind and the heavy rain. It's going to sit here and absorb what's left of Francine. All this rain stays to our southeast, doesn't impact us, and even the deep moisture coming from the remnants of Pacific tropical storm Elena should stay mostly west of our areas. We still have the hot upper ridge right here, very strong, acting like a wall, completely dominating our weather. And with the dry air, the low dew points, you cool off quite a bit at night. And even though we were 90, 91 today, still down into the mid 50s tonight. 51 to 57 should do it area wide. Tomorrow's an 85 to 90 day, 88 winds east northeast. Plenty of sunshine around, still high pollen counts as well for if you're an allergy sufferer, and a lot of dust in the air as well. 89 at Fowler, 87 Flora, and still quite warm on Wednesday. Just a hair cooler than tomorrow and than what it was today because the wind is a little bit more northeast to north-northeast with 87, but still the grass and the field fire threat lingering pretty much all week. Mid-80s at Logansport Wednesday, 90 degrees at Kentland and Fowler. So there is Futurecast. Again, here's this pseudo-tropical system, this low that's going to be sitting, bringing the rain from Kentucky over to Maryland. That's where it stays. Then it moves offshore. Again, we're still clear here even into Thursday. This may reorganize again, though, into a tropical storm and move due south. We are still dry here right through the upcoming weekend. It does appear a front will come through most likely Monday. May spawn a couple showers and storms, but most of the deep moisture is all down here. We may very well have a hurricane approaching Florida a week from later this week. And then what's left of the current system in North Carolina may move offshore and redevelop into a tropical storm or hurricane. So we may literally have two tropical storms or hurricanes near the U.S. a week from later this week. But if you look, we're still very dry around here. It's going to take a lot of time to get any sort of rain in here. And all the storms stay west of us. I mean, this is the severe weather threat, pretty vigorous severe weather threat for days out here in the plains, almost like kind of a May or June situation, given the deep tropical moisture from what's left of Elena that was out in the Pacific. But again, that's off to our west, and the hurricanes and the tropical storms with all that rain, that's all southeast and south of us. So it's kind of the same song and dance. Hot, worsening drought, brush fire risk. We're back up to around 90 to the low 90s by Friday. There are a few little spotty shower storms Monday, and then it's a hair cooler. Next Tuesday it may only be about 80 degrees before we heat back up again.